removing a door sticker with a scraper. Usually I don't like to do the whole thing, but since this one is such a small piece, what I like to do is I like to start on something where I could scrape all the way up and then go up again. And then we're going to be cleaning this up with denatured alcohol. So press firmly with your blade and go all the way up. And then the sticky adhesive, I'm going to pause this real quick. And we're going to come back to it. I'm going to show you how to get this stuff off. And then for this part, I like to use denatured alcohol to remove everything else that's left behind, all the adhesive stuff. So I'll do a close-up video of that. So over here, you're gonna see that it's just gonna completely melt and remove everything. Just like that. And then we're gonna do the other side. What I like to do is I like to use a cleaner side of the towel so that it gives it a little bit of space to melt onto, and then you can even use the other side of the towel. And then now that that is nice and clean, gonna have a nice new space to put the new sticker and another sticker that I had made for this door. So I'm gonna hit that up with the glass cleaner. That's how you get it done. Use the Husky scraper and denatured alcohol. Thanks for watching.